Okay, here we go with subtracting. Notice it's basically the same type of problem. We're going to, how many times do I have to say this? Factor out. So we're going to factor out a common term. We take a 3 out of this one. We get 3 times b plus 1. We take a 7b out of here. We get 7b times b plus 3. We go through the same process of getting a common denominator. And in this case, we have to fix it so that our denominators are the same. We're missing a 3 from them, so I'm going to need a 3 in this one. And I also need a b plus 1. Therefore, if I multiply the denominator down here by those numbers, I have to multiply the numerator by those same expressions. In this one, I'm missing a 7b, and I'm also missing a b plus 3. So therefore, I have to multiply this one, numerator, by b plus 3 times 7b as well. Once I multiply that, so we have this down here. And so once I multiply that together, notice I have the 7b and the b plus 3 times the 8, and the 3 times the b plus 1 times this. 8 times 7 is 56. b times b gives me 56b squared. 8 times 7b is 56b times 3 gives me 168b. Then I come to the back of the expression. Negative 4b times 3 is negative 12b times b gives me negative 12b squared. And then negative 4b times 3 is negative 12b times positive 1 is negative 12b as well. The numerator, or the denominator, we can also simplify a little bit, although we don't want to go ahead and multiply our binomials together because that would make it a big, long, ugly expression. But we can combine, simplify 3 times 7b and make that 21b and clean it up a little bit. Let's go to the next part because we have to combine our like terms. Okay, combining our like terms, let me pull this down a little bit so we can see all the steps. Combining our like terms, 56b squared minus 12b squared gives me 44b squared. Positive 168b minus 12b gives me positive 156b. And then, as I said before, do not multiply this together. It just makes it a big, ugly polynomial. Notice that the numerator, we can take out a b because they both have a b in common, and they're even, so I know I can take out a 2. I'm going to check to see if I can take out a 4. That probably will work. And sure enough, I put it in the calculator, and I can. So I'm going to then take out a 4b, and I get, sorry about this, guys, I get 4b out of 44b squared with, I get 11b. 4b times 11b is 44b squared. And 4b times 39 gives me the 156b. So there is my final answer. Once again, going back, we know we cannot have b equal to 0, b equal to negative 1, or b equal to negative 3, because those numbers would make the denominator 0.